Hi there, so I wanted to show you 407 so you can see the layout and what it's like. So you walk in and you have this little hallway. Behind here is a half bath with a sink and a commode. And then we have a coat closet here. And then if you go straight, you have a really nice guest room, and they have their own bathroom with a tub, which unlike other communities, especially the newer ones, we do allow you to make modifications to your apartment. This apartment has some really great shelving, which is nice. They still need to repaint in here, but that's part of the community fee, and then they need to redo some of the flooring. But this apartment has an extra long balcony, and it has an extra large living room, because this is one of the Juniper floor plans. And then to the left of your living room is your dining room, or your kitchen, excuse me. Full-size stove with cooktop, full-size fridge, dishwasher, and then this is the dining area. And then there's lots of cabinets here. It's one thing that I love about this apartment. There's lots of storage, lots of cabinets. There's some deeper cabinets here, the top and bottom, and then down here are more shallow cabinets for storage. So you have a lot of storage options. Let me show you another one of the closets. You come in here and you have another little closet that could be an office, some more cabinets and storage here, another coat closet. In here, this was one of the things that they customized for this apartment. It's a little cedar room that you can put jewelry and scarves and clothes, and there's lots of racks to put things, and they still need to do some, put in a new cedar plank and do some modifications, but that's that. Here is the third, well, it's 2.5 baths, but this is the third bathroom with the tub. It's pretty shallow. I'd say it's probably 1.5 feet tall. And then you have yet another closet with lots of storage space, lots of shelves, and then you have multiple clothing racks, which is nice. And then this bedroom is quite large. This is the master bedroom. There's crown molding on the ceiling. The ceilings are pretty tall. They're almost 10 feet in this apartment. I'll send you the exact measurements, but this is 407. I hope you liked it. All right. Oh, let me show you outside too. It's nice out. Well, it's a little chilly, but I'll still take you out there. Actually, I'll go out this door since I am not so good with my left hand. There we are. There's our minivan. You can see that our atrium's down there, so you can see what's going on, all the landscaping. Your neighbors would be down below. And then we're backed up right against the woods, which is nice. So it's pretty quiet on our little dead-end street. All right, well, thank you guys so much. Hope you like 407. Bye.